This video examines the aspiration gap, the misalignment between youth purpose and economic reality. We will look at the structural drivers and evidence-based policy responses for countries like Latvia and the OECD. Misalignment is not a preference issue. It is a systemic information failure. Data shows that adolescents cluster expectations in just about 10 occupations, leading to undersupply in critical sectors. Students are making life-defining decisions with a major guidance deficit. Only 17% of Latvian students get individual counseling versus 55% in the OECD. This gap reflects systemic information failures. The gap is costly, resulting in longer transitions and underemployment for individuals, which ultimately leads to lower lifetime earnings. For the economy, it causes skill shortages and constrained GDP. Moving from passion-blind to demand-responsive requires 5 structural pillars: guidance infrastructure, employer partnerships, tech literacy, strategic communication, and financial access. Pillar 1. Guidance must be treated as essential infrastructure. Best practice, like in Finland and Singapore, shows continuous, early guidance. This makes students 30% more likely to align with employment. Pillar 2. Work-based learning translates abstract job titles into realities. Models like the German dual system significantly reduce youth unemployment by connecting theory and context for employed graduates. Pillar 3. Education must address AI. We need to teach durable human skills like empathy and problem solving, moving beyond displacement fear to task reconfiguration literacy. Pillar 4. Strategic communication is essential. Reframing technical trades as problem-solving roles, as done in campaigns like Scotland's renewable energy, increases high achiever interest by 20 to 30%. Pillar 5. Passion shouldn't be paywalled. Financial incentives and grants, like those in Canada and New Zealand, increase enrollment in high-demand technical fields by 30 to 50%. Building systemic resilience requires 3 keys: dialogue through sectoral skills councils, intelligence using open data systems, and feedback with longitudinal tracking. Achieving Ikigai means finding a sustainable purpose at the intersection of passion, skill, need, and payment. Aspiration alignment is an ongoing process of informed choice for all stakeholders.